Let us think about the world we live in. Already as a planet, we're using far more resources than the Earth can afford. And by 2050, there will be 2.5 billion more people on the planet, people who all want to live well. This makes us at Unilever more convinced than ever that companies that address both the needs of the environment and the well-being of citizens prosper in the long run. We are our environment, and our environment is our fuel for sustainability. This positive social impact is what is behind our vision of expanding our business while reducing our environmental footprint. We operate with that premise, and it is an integral part of our corporate culture. The Unilever Sustainability Living Plans consist of three main pillars: improving health and well-being of people, halving the environmental impact, and enhancing the livelihood of thousands of people.
We at Unilever, we are proud of being able to make qualitative transition in reducing our environmental footprint out of our production and operational processes in our plants. Since 2008, we have worked on a lot of projects in Saudi Unilever factory, and we have succeeded in reducing the CO2 emission by more than 9,500 tons. And this is equivalent to the emission of more than 1,800 cars. At our factories, we have also succeeded in reducing more than 80,000 tons of water, and this is equivalent of the capacity of 32 Olympic-sized swimming pools. In terms of power, we have saved energy equivalent to the monthly power supply for more than 14,000 houses.
Unilever has a very strong track record of designing sustainable practices for managing its waste from its operations. In 2008, we used to send 140 million kilograms of waste to the landfill. Sustainability is core to our business. By 2010, we have 40 factories sending zero waste to the landfill. But it is really great to see that how Unilever has accelerated this program in the remaining 200 factories across the globe by 2015. We have installed composting machine in our operations to convert biodegradable material into fertilizer. We are recycling 4 million kilograms of waste in a year. This is equal to saving 28,000 trees. Zero Waste to Landfill program is a clear example of how Unilever is leveraging its Unilever Sustainable Living Plan. We want to share this learning with others so that they can join us for this noble cause.
6 years ahead of our deadline, we've managed to achieve zero waste to landfill across our global factory network. And we're really proud to have achieved this in our Jeddah factory as of December 2014. This major transformation was achieved by applying the 5R principle: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover, as well as applying a zero waste mindset, which enabled employees to reduce waste from the source. We will become the first business of our scale to achieve this, setting the standards for the industry globally.
The story starts with sustainability and people well-being, which is the key drivers behind innovations and the social purpose of our brands and our communication with the market. Unilever mission by 2020 is to change the hygiene behavior of 1 billion consumers around the world by educating them the hand washing at the key times. In KSA, we managed to change the life of 3.7 million consumers in the last 3 years, out of which 1.6 million has been reached in 2014 alone. The beauty of this was the direct engagement that we had with our Lifebuoy hand washing unit with the consumer. We managed to visit them in schools, in hospitals, restaurants, in malls, where we managed to educate the families and their children of importance of hand washing and how it protects them from future diseases. It was very crucial to learn this in 2014, especially with the spread of coronavirus in KSA. We managed to land this message in the right way with the consumer to make sure that hand washing in the key times will protect you from corona. Our mission in KSA is beyond the coronavirus now. We are looking for a 5 million reach of consumers by 2020, and it's very important to reach to this number in KSA. KSA is a country that has a lot of visitors around the world, millions of visitors comes for the Hajj. And this is very important that we make sure that they are very well educated on hand washing in order to make sure they have their rituals in the best hygiene manner.
Bidaya, our women empowerment program in Saudi Arabia, provides work for underprivileged women. Until now, we have 280 women enrolled in the program and selling our products from home.
اسمي هاجر فواز، عمري 23 سنة من جدة. التحقت في برنامج بداية من حوالي تقريبا 5 شهور. البرنامج هدفه مو بس إني أحقق ربح مادي فقط، ولكن هو تطوير لمهاراتي وقدراتي وفي شخصيتي كمان. يعني مثلا زي أنا أول ما التحقت بالبرنامج اكتشفت إنه طريقتي في التعامل مع الزبائن تغيرت بشكل كبير جدا. صار عندي ثقة في نفسي وإيماني إني أقدر أحقق كل أحلامي. كمان أحب أشجع البنات إنهم يلتحقوا بالبرنامج بداية، لأنه هو البداية لطريقهم لتحقيق أهدافهم.
We have 3 big goals by 2020. Help more than 1 billion people improve their health and well-being. Halve the environmental footprint of our products across the value chain. Source 100% of our agricultural raw materials sustainably. Our goal is to see our vision coming to life and to show that not only can sustainability drive growth, but growth doesn't have to cost the earth.